Now let's take a look at some of the top stories from India at this hour. Prime Minister Narendra Modi is expected to make his first visit to Manipur since ethnic violence broke out over 2 years ago. Now, this will be likely in the second week of September. During the visit, he plans to meet with displaced individuals and potentially inaugurate infrastructure projects in Imphal and Churachandpur district. The state was placed under President's rule on February 13th for 6 months, which was extended for another 6 months on August 5th after the statutory resolution moved by Union Home Minister Amit Shah was endorsed by both the houses of parliament. Former Vice President Jagdeep Dhankar has sought the restoration of his pension as a former legislator from the Rajasthan Legislative Assembly. Dhankar represented the Kishangarh constituency as a Congress MLA between 1993 and 1998. He became entitled to a pension after completing his tenure and drew the benefits until July 2019. Now, the pension was discontinued when he was appointed as the Governor of West Bengal the same year, as the Act stipulates that pension payments remain suspended when an ex-legislator holds a constitutional or government office. Officials at the Assembly Secretariat confirmed that the process of restoring his pension has already begun. The Election Commission has announced that it has received approximately 1.98 lakh requests from individuals seeking removal of their names from the voters list, which is currently being revised as part of the special intensive revision of electoral rolls in Bihar. In Jammu and Kashmir's Poonch district, police arrested 2 terrorists, Tariq Sheikh of Azamabad and Riaz Ahmad of Chambar village. During the raid, the duo was found in possession of an AK-47 rifle and a hand grenade. Jammu and Kashmir has witnessed back-to-back anti-terrorism operation by security forces in the past few months, including Operation Akhal, Operation Shiv Shakti and Operation Mahadev. On August 28th, the Indian Army had neutralized 2 terrorists and foiled an infiltration bid. An Indore-bound Air India plane made an emergency landing in the national capital today after being airborne for over 30 minutes as the pilot received a fire indication in the right engine of the aircraft. As per statement of Air India, one engine of the A320neo aircraft was shut down and the plane landed safely at the Delhi airport.